Box Cover, this is Dr. Bear, and welcome to another social media top 10 countdown. No, I'm actually the Downtown Kingston. The last time I did see me in Tree. And yeah, it makes sense for the Downtown because this is actually one of my favoriteest place. So, we have one bag of topics to talk about. Now, we hear about something with Mackerel and Ivan. I don't know if I'm going to mention it, but what if I something? So anyway, stick around and enjoy the show. Tree. Oh no, wrong place.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on, it missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tuning to the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Lastic Man, my chicken peas. So, the other day I was in Tree and I was doing a video and I about this brother that is called Lastic Man. Now, this brother says that he's a contortionist and a very world-renowned or Caribbean-renowned performer. So, check out the little interview that I did with him and let me know your comments.
Alright, so Dr. Bear there, and what's your name?
My real name is Omar Ariat.
Omar Ariat, yeah.
My entertainment name is Elastic Man Contortionist, gymnastic dancer, acrobatics.
Oh, so how long you been doing this?
Doing this from before 95.
So what make you actually get started? What make you, that's just something you enjoy?
No, you come up from before that footstep before that dance and sing.
Oh, so naturally you just kind of end up in the whole dancing thing.
In the blood, you know.
And your father did flexible like you too?
Yeah, flexible, legs, bell foot, and a big boot away from you.
So just you are like other people in your family actually get the contortion, this type of thing too?
I'm going to be alone.
Oh, wow.
You know, I'm with my sister and brother. I'm going to be alone. Acrobat style.
So
They call it Crabberman.
Oh, Crabberman.
Yeah, Crabberman for all the Asianness. But see, the style I see me is a gimmick style. It's a gimmick style like Popeye.
Yeah.
Brutus. It's a cartoon style like comic strip. But we can do foot move, Michael Jackson, break dance,
yeah, do all of them something there.
Yeah. Dance I go so.
Yeah. Yeah.
Be me clean, Zion style clean.
Okay. Alright,
Clean,
so talk to me about your image right now, like how you put together yourself, like where you find them different items here from.
Yo,
like this and then you have the glasses here.
This dressing is an English dressing style. Real
Oh,
English dressing,
the boots and them look something and all the socks and
my
them.
own dressing everything. Not like Morgan, not like Jackson.
Oh, okay. Oh, your own unique something.
Yeah.
So this not at.
No, AC, no. Well, comfortable, alright. AC. Well, look at the jacket.
Yeah, yeah.
You see that? Real comfortable.
Real comfortable and
and everything. I want this one hot. You feel cool and nice, you know.
Alright, so how do you make money now? Like doing this, like how do you find a way for like us to make money?
I work at the fun day, like school, like fun day.
Fun days, yeah.
Bounce about with kids and
Yeah.
Funeral when they have. I'm going to dance at funeral.
Oh, you go funeral too?
Yeah, everywhere.
Because the other day I see Candy, you know, she can't go one funeral and she said, can I get a wow? I mean, I wonder if people that want them type of excitement their funeral. So you are telling me, say you go funeral and you do your thing them too? Wow. Alright, so if people want to like, you know, contact you, so then probably can get there them fun day and them something. Where all them reach out to you?
My phone number is 4630987.
Camera, see
4630987. Elastic man, yeah?
We have to go show it, show the people them a little thing like, you know, like what you do.
Alright, we'll show like entertainment, yeah? Entertainment, okay?
Alright, take it away. Yeah. Don't it. Yeah. Don't it. When you can't get my little entertainment, you know.
Yeah. Go there. Hold there. No easy.
Yeah. Don't. Matrix. Watch it.
Yeah, elastic man.
Wow. Can I get up?
Wow.
Can I get up? Wow. Oh my. Spice would put you up on our team. Jesus Christ. Wow. Yeah. Wow.
People look out for Elastic man.
Jamaican
Wow.
Wow. Good dog.
Yeah. Jesus Christ.
And that she go like.
On a typical day in JA.
Wow.
Bob Marley.
Jesus Christ. Wow.
Yeah, man, so that was Lastic Man. Yes, so the man do one bag of broke up and all kind of things are moving body in motion and these kind of something. The man legit did one hula hoop with him tongue. You tell me now. Aye, Shana? But what you think about Elastic Man's talent people? A whole heap of people like him are having a Jamaica, you know, who just really, really talented, but for some reason them don't find the spaces what make them able to make a decent living for themselves. Support the brother. His number is right here, so contact him for booking and them stuff there. Okay? Number 9, KFC News. Me sing a combo. So the other day I'm up on Instagram now and I book up this video showing a news anchor, you know, having a conversation as them usually do. But in the middle of this, she decided to mention something that was quite factual, that Jamaica has the best KFC chicken in the entire world. No, this has been a debate for a long time. People have said so at Trinidad, some people have said Bahamas, Barbados, but at least we can agree, say the Caribbean beat the rest of the world. But here's what this anchor had to say.
About my KFC because there's only one place in the world that I eat KFC.
Okay.
In Jamaica.
Really?
Yes. Listen, if you ever go, there is something about Jamaican KFC. It's like second to none.
They just add a little special something
It's just different. So when you come back to North America and you try KFC in the US or in Canada,
it's different, right?
The same.
Okay, so next time I'm in Jamaica, I'm going to go for it.
Listen,
yes, because I do like my KFC.
I'm telling you. little trick. Next time you're down in Jamaica, try it out. Even sometimes people say Trinidad's KFC is also really good too.
Okay.
Yeah, but there's something about the Caribbean and KFC. They just come together. They make a great combo.
I love it. I'm going to try it one day.
So let me know, peeps, do you agree? Do you believe that anywhere you go in the world, Jamaican KFC will come out on top? I'm not like right about now, I feel for your barbecue singer. I would have mashed down a 3-piece combo. You know, one spicy, one original, and the other one barbecue. Just, boy, somebody send me some KFC now. Woo. Number 8, KFC song, my leg and tie. So, this brother named Dan Bones, him drop one song, talking about KFC and how him use KFC and fast food for basically look,
They did it the right way, boy. And stop with the hooligan or the animosity. Turn it up, fix your
Some
time.
for 20 rounds, so.
Yeah, turn it around. Fix, how you talk about? Kentucky.
Yeah, like one man they do one song about
You
KFC.
have something about KFC for your act.
I don't eat alone, I talk about whole heap of other things too.
Alright, fix it up.
Alright, so fix.
One of them girls around past, fix it time.
So it just completely about that, like it just completely can, it's a little better now? Oh, so?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's warm up.
Alright, good now, ready. Alright, so the brother basically, guess what going a while ago? Wow, this is Jamaica. Anyway, so let me just move in a way where the tie does not hard shift. So the brother, him do a song where basically I talk about how him use KFC and fast food for look woman, and it actually work. Pretty song.
She say feeling car now, bring a singer cause she just left work and can't bother cook na dinner. Island grill chips bigger, so me just left it there with a bigger. Me no joke when food fi deliver. She see the status with the 3-piece in her, so she send me a pic with the jars where she in her. Do a research and check the figure box food like she want fuck a nigga. Hot sauce, fast food get a gal fast youth. Fast food get a gal fast youth.
So let me know, do you actually give this song a thumbs up by Dan Bones, or you think Satan really make it? Sound off below. Wow, so let me just change this quick before the man find out. Anyway, number 7, bad reporter. Make TVJ News / CVM. So this brother now, you know, one like accident did go on recently. And it was an accident, and basically him they decide that he want to take up him like a journalistic style and try to report on the matter. But him never really get the vocabulary so correct. The words never too right. But me give him a little effort, so check it out and let me know what you think.
Flankers, multiple students injured in accident. We were told that one accident were also killed in the accident. What?
But sir, and I really sorry, you're supposed to do it. What you're supposed to do it is like, you know, welcome ladies and gentlemen, this is TVJ News. So if you look across here, this hilly interior, we're going to see that there are ventricles coming from a northeastern region into the eastern hemisphere. So if you look, we see that we are evaporated by rainy scattered sunshine through the northwest region. And if you look to that exterior over there, we see JUTC permeating the air through the nostrils. And that is it. Back to you now in studio.
And check out the random video of the week.
Number 6, the wig, take it, Miss Calpline. So, you know, the other day I saw this video surfacing on Facebook with this lady. Now, I hear her name is Colleen. Now, this lady, she was in a JUTC bus. And it, boy, just never really looked good. She was in there and some people started to tease her. And somebody took off the lady's wig off of her head. Now, the look on the woman's face, I can say she was very distraught. Now, since then, whole heap of people had a lot to say on social media to talk about the whole situation. And, you know, we book up a brother downtown now, where, you know, the world just small like this.
No, him is from No Trending JA. Yeah, the page actually, like, you know, premiere the video. Alright, so I did you there or somebody send the video?
Well, somebody sent me the video. Actually, an artist, Bitter.
Yeah.
Yeah, him send me the video because I do some work with him and thing. And he
Yeah.
say, yo, you know, something I like this one, I really I see. And he was the one who highlight it and said to me, say, yo, I must send some funds and say, yo, so if you can start her out and help her and thing. And I post something on page asking if any hairdresser, hair salon, look at makeover and thing. Well, from there, so everything just blew up.
Come to see the video after them take off our wig and then I say the Star put up an article and afterwards now I say people should get makeover and the whole thing I think get new wig, get new look.
Yeah man. Them you get me I say? Well what I have to say about it still dirty. I'm gonna tell you something. You see now, more while the weaker people them get fight on you get me I say? And man I be nobody come while them say you are be people, wicked people in Jamaica and them thing there, but not everybody is like that.
Yeah.
You know what I mean what that you get me I say? But sometimes we just you get me I say we just treat others some way. And what I love for we do, but I love for we not just teach the youth them how to recite the national pledge. Not just for know it word for word, but to understand it. You understand? We need to all learn to understand our national pledge.
I learn to treat people with respect.
Right, because national pledge it states it all. So if we can, if the whole of we can understand what the national pledge really have to say, may I tell you just learn it, not just know it word for word. You get me I say?
Right, so what the No Trending page is about?
Well, basically like we promote artists, party, we promote what's trending. You get me I say in Jamaica?
Just look for you on Facebook, No Trending JA.
Instagram.
Okay.
No Trending JA. You get me I say? Can check it out on the gram and thing. We do what we do. You get me I say?
Yeah man, alright, bless up for the chat man, bless up man.
Because them man thing was set the pace. You get me I say?
Bless man, bless. Yeah man, bless.
Yeah, we're there with Carleen. We're there here with Carleen and Bully Beef for the clean and, you know, Bully Beef out to there and things. So Bully Beef, how go?
I'm here, I look on Carleen, how she transform.
Yeah.
How she transform, so.
Yeah.
She does pretty, such a pretty, I mean. I look on her nice ear.
And tell them what them can do that.
Nice, no?
Tell them what them can.
I can't grab off this again, you know. They say anyone I don't feel like nobody grab off this, no? I'm not going in a serious trouble. See Carleen and leave Carleen alone. She has somebody like we too. We don't have mother, we don't have father, we don't have sister, we don't have brother. Think about that. Leave Carleen alone. We're going to find something to do.
See it there?
Well, that is it for the situation now, and I'm so glad that this lady is getting all of the help that she deserves at this point in time. Sound off below.
Hey everyone, I know that you are enjoying the social media countdown, but let me just say, if you want to promote, please reach out to DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. It's awesome rates. You can get to promote your business, your event, your music. Send us an email right now. It is DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. That is it, and we can get the conversation started. Now enjoy the remainder of the countdown.
Number 5, DJ Nicholas versus the church. My praise and worship. So DJ Nicholas now came on Instagram recently to kind of, you know, share him thoughts and concerns on a situation where he must say I'm inside of the church. Now what DJ Nicholas, walk on, big up a nice clean friend. Yes. Where you running? So, anywho, so DJ Nicholas now is saying that the people in the church, that they are Christians who don't support the fact that he does dancehall gospel music because them say, yo, them kind of criticize and I say, yo, it is not of God because it is in the dancehall style. So listen to what DJ Nicholas had to say on the whole matter.
Been doing ministry now for a lot of years. And I understand it's not everybody like every music. I understand that. However, I hear and I see the negative comments. And usually I try my best to ignore them. Now this is what I want to say. This self-righteous religious spirit will love tear down people and come against everything that you think is outside where you believe it should be is a religious self-righteous spirit where did kill Jesus. Oh my God! Wow! Some of you not listen to my music because, boy, it not sound like gospel.
A little bad mind plus a little red eye. Little teeth in plus a little tell lie. Little sex.
But you will listen to some song when I have nothing to do with God and justify it by saying, oh, it's clean song, nothing wrong with them. But my song, something wrong with it because it not sound like gospel.
When you add lust to lust equal master, keep on.
Alright, so you hear the man really say, you know, at the end of the day, you have to really say how pure your heart is and how clean your intentions are and leave all judgments to God. So sound off in the comment section, burritos. Are you team Nicholas or are you team the people that might talk about the things about the church, but dancehall gospel music? More here. It's a number 4, Taximan versus Student. So the other day we see this video with this man, a big one child in a uniform. So when everybody look on the video now, they must say, yo, I must have picked the father. So when story come to bomb now, it finally confirms that it wasn't the Pitney father at all. It was a taxi man that take off him belt and I was a student. You get me? So now I'm going to ask somebody who they on the streets them now. You're the loader man. You're the about town. How you the angle the situation there? You think that it right for the taxi man for like taking belt and a reprimand the student?
Well, no. Well, see, from my case,
yeah.
right, so
yeah.
No taxi man can disrespect no student at all in
Oh.
front of my eyesight.
Oh, okay.
Must the mother or the father. Me don't tolerate that. I don't support that. No time at
So
all.
if him right the stuff, for take something. And like it's a student, you're gonna make sure say if,
yeah.
So if a student come and just palms off your face, so you're gonna just take it up? Oh, them no, them so they won't even try that. So you're not getting one more problem from the student them do?
No, I don't have a problem with them. All excess, I respond to all excess.
Oh, tell more excess, because excess I'm used to go.
Well, excess,
so all the excess you pick them?
They behave proper.
Them behave properly?
Sure.
Thank you.
I don't have a problem with no excess you pick them.
Oh gosh, thank you.
All excess and it's okay, I'm on to put them on the right.
Oh my God, what's your name, man? What's your name?
Mr. Flemings, I'm Mr. Flemings. The father of Junior Flemings.
Oh, see that? Big up all the way one, big up now.
Well, I want to say I want to big up my baby mother.
Yes.
Jiggles from
What?
Central Kingston.
Jiggles?
Yes.
Why she name
Big up
Jiggles?
star son, Jonah Flemings.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, Junior.
Another star son again.
Yeah.
His name is Mr. Aaron Ricardo Flemings.
No, man, you need to have more pin in them, because if I appear star pin, you need to have some more.
Let me not have all Dion Flemings, no man.
No, man, I want one, man.
Junior Flemings. I'm here Ricardo Flemings.
No, man,
and I'm
Jesus.
Mr. Flemings.
No, man, you need to have some more. It's
Well,
one man,
not yet. It's right now at this moment.
Yeah.
When Mr. Flemings boss me,
Yeah.
we can talk about kids. We have
Jesus.
foundation.
Yeah, man.
To pick, they can talk about to get with our foundation.
True that.
That things rough and time hard.
Alright,
Nobody
so
not
before I
give
go
that
to
all.
say, big up the Dirty Berry Show. Big up the Dirty Berry Show, yeah.
Well, big up the Dirty Berry Show and think you don't know enough respect and think.
All
We love
right.
to so and go out and think.
Yeah, man,
I'm
you're
telling them
youths
I have a problem with my student them.
Yeah.
Pan a all. Them alright, I'm on time. Them comply and communicate with me. Put them in the castle. Them go to school on time. All concord to put it up.
Yeah.
Them good. I don't have a
Alright.
problem with them
You
too.
see that Excel,
All
sir, peeps?
concord
Make sure
it.
say you
And
find him
all
up.
Excel.
Alright,
Ask me
but-
about Mr. Flemings, they can tell you about
I
me.
will, man, I
I
will,
don't have
man.
a problem with them morning time. No
Bless
time
up,
at
bless
all.
up, boss,
I just
yes.
peace and love, man.
Yeah, man.
That means when you them for the father, same way.
Okay.
Just like a father of a child,
Yes.
same way.
Alright.
So I don't know.
Yeah,
You
man,
them in the
bless.
future.
True
So
that.
I'm gonna take care of them.
Yeah.
That's when you get old, and them see me, I'm gonna take care of them.
Show that if you don't, you're going to end up at home.
Alright, exactly.
Yeah, man,
And if you
bless.
don't respect them, I'm not going to respect you.
True.
So you have to show them respect.
Number 3, Conscience to the mill. Me gungo peas. So, dancehall artist Conscience is actually fast approaching the 1 million followers on Instagram now. That is a big deal. I think Spice is there already. Is Sean Paul there yet? Who else we have there? Shensia and Popcorn as well. But anyhow, to, I guess, celebrate, he went on Instagram to sort of talk to his supporters who are rooting him on to the 1 million. He said, wait, so don't mix up. Big up your stay good self, you saw your So, Conscience said, beer people remind me, say, I so reach 1 million followers. But me no really business. That I gonna be 400k actual fans and well-wishers, 100 fake page of people when I like me and I look for see me, I gonna mash up soon and beat me in the comments. 100k girl where want F me and no know none of me sang them. 100k bisexual girls I try use me to get to me wife. And 300k we just want fast. Smiley emoji. Everybody serve a purpose though. Me love you know. Wow. Damn, Conscience, we never really expect you to kind of break it down like that. But then, it look like him fans them tell him, say him leave off some. So he went again with this epistle. So apparently I left out a group of my previous followers breakdown. Me say, I remind me, smiley face. The group titled, quotation, young artists we want to learn and want boss and want me sign them. Smiling emoji. Big man thing though, to hear artists say that they look up to me and want to learn from me and seek advice, all while I'm still trying to figure things out for myself, is truly an honor because I am a true fan of the music and culture. That is why you see me post and big up and comment and co-sign and want to see them win with nothing behind it. Well, Conscience, I'm sure after this is supposed to hit the 1 million followers on Instagram. So congratulations when you get there. And yeah, keep on putting out good music and yeah, leave out the one back episode because boy. Accurate though. Number 2, Walk the Dog, my puppet show. So, the man up on Twitter and I saw this video now featuring a man and a woman the downtown and the man a walk with one collar round him neck and the woman the back of me. I said, no man, I walk going in Jamaica. Apparently, it was because the man got give bun and the woman find out, so she decided to. No, you know, so what people they kind of react to one kind of way because they were very surprised and shocked. This is something like this I go on in Jamaica, and how could a woman be doing something like this to her boyfriend? But me I can tell you no, they need to relax because I kind of know people and I know things. And just like Comedy Spot said, Shiny K was a little girl who did the proposal in a sovereign. Me I make you know say this person is a YouTuber. His name Razor Blade. And me I predict said this was a skit or a prank film YouTube channel.
Today we're in the streets, we do a public experiment, a social experiment, anything you want to call it. And guess what? Remember me always do them bag of skits, so me I look at bag of girl and this and that and me I cheat and this and that. Well today, I'm gonna get it handed to me by my girlfriend. To get the reaction of the people because guess what? I'm a cheater and she just gonna dog me up. So for all of them women there.
Say all men are dogs.
Yeah.
So yeah, me gonna bring it alive today with the downtown guys already put it.
So let me know what. Yo dog. Alright, go on. Just like a biatch. So let them stay. Anyway, let me know what you thought about this video. Burritos, sound off below.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment.
Before the girls them sexy and run club, sing along. Well then, big up my friend.
Alright, so welcome to the big up segment now, live right in a downtown Kingston right now. Today, Friday. What's your name, boss?
DJ Atang Cole, you know, you talk them road, right?
Alright, so you tell me say you have a mixtape or something that dropped now. Talk to me about it.
Yes, the new mixtape, the Art of Dancehall. Want everybody get one of the new mixtape that I got drop out right now. Understand? Everything on up and all of the current song them.
What do you mean all like current song them? When you say current song, you mean
you know,
like
the
Alkaline
them,
and the
yeah.
Oh, okay.
The
Okay, the
Alkaline,
six song, okay.
the Vibes Cartel,
Yeah.
the Movada, then the Popcorn.
So want to for the woman song them because them want to shake up and them for something.
That Spice song, the
Oh,
on the
okay, the skin out them. Alright, the Jada them man.
It's an all-inclusive mix.
Oh, okay, okay.
Understand? The
Yeah.
governor, everybody are up on me, so I also got up on it. I have a song out now, you need to check it out on
What the song
YouTube.
about?
Let's see me, them love to see me. Kiki and Baba Roots, it turn up the loving on the street, you see me. Spain Town, you see me. Watch you now.
On YouTube, you see me. Yo,
Right.
done. Shell.
You know your thing, go, alright?
Yeah, man, bless boss. Yeah.
Big up yourself.
And also have to go and big up Samantha J. Yes, that girl was saying tight up skirt upon her pregnancy. Also have to go and big up Tommy Chin and Wayne Marshall on their 10-year anniversary. And speaking of, you know, the Chins, I forgot big up Chinita Good as Tessan Chin on her birthday, which is celebrated recently. And yes, this big brand new song by Andan and Open Soul called Give It To You. Yeah man, check it out. It's Shell.
You know you're driving me crazy. Give it to you, my baby. You ready? Pretty girl from the island.
And finally, we have to go and big up the Jamaican hockey team on winning the Amerigal Latam Cup.
Boom. I want you to pick up something, anything. This is Miss Secular representing, and right now you're watching Dirty Berry social media countdown. Alright, don't touch the dial, stay locked. Remember, this is the biggest, the baddest, the best, man.
And number one goes to Rasta Flies. My I tells you. So this video now, I think it just take the cake, and it's just one of them things that remember I always appreciate Jamaican people. Some on Instagram, you know, I switch around and I move around. When I book up this video on iOctane's page, now it showcased a Rastafarian, I'm assuming, a Rastaman, you know, somebody, you know, dreadlocks. In the plane, I guess it was heading to a particular location. But before they hard took off, the Rastaman decided that he need to kind of call upon some spiritual intervention from whosoever is above. Pre.
Commandments, statutes, and decrees. I and I will meditate day and night and every second, every minute. I and I the pilot and all over this plane shall be like the tree that plant among the rivers of his water. Shall yield forth the fruit in its season. Who leave does not wither, and whatsoever I do, most of you will surely prosper. Not so with the hands on the door, there shall never be. There shall be like a child that prison and rose on a boat drive. Therefore,
No, so I always say like the prayer warrior them in the church, a clap when, you know, the plane land and them things there. But no, it was an opportunity for us to see what a Rasta man, a Rasta Jamaican man goes through when, you know, it might kind of fearful and need to make sure, say, the pilot and everybody in the plane is well covered. Now, the man chant up one bag of Naya, I don't know if it's Naya Bingy coming, I want to really get another problem. But him chant up the spirit, the epitome of Carl Angola.
Call on this plane, put on just and pray to the Almighty God of Rome, the God of Christ, and the God of Jacob. All the kings Celestia and the earth, we have never known we have the righteous. But we have the ungodly and evil and wicked and cruel man, most and will favor show the praise. So bless all the people that walk away from in Jamaica, and all the pilot, all who left on the plane. Give the plane wheel out the door. Put everything in the place so all the kings Celestia and the earth, the God of Rome, the God of Christ, and the God of Jacob. In spirit, God is there in truth. Jah! Jah!
Mama Shakala, oh hola, Kalangola, hear it. So let me know, burritos, do you actually say a prayer every time you travel, or you're kind of comfortable with it now where you don't get fearful, you don't need to call upon God, you don't need to call upon Allah, you don't need to call upon Jarastafari? Sound off in the comments below. Well, that's it, people. We've come to the end of another social media top 10 countdown. Now, as you can see, you know, like night I come down, I don't know why me choose to record around like 5 o'clock-ish when the sun a drop. But I hope you enjoyed. I'm so sorry for the little scruffiness. I never really did plan for shooting at this, but I say, yo, I have to make ace because the burritos, them I say, where are the countdowns? Drop the videos, them. Yeah, man, I shoot this. I use 4K phone. So I don't really know how me go, can you turn the camera around now? Because I'm tired of the people that comment and talk about you and all kind of things, and the focus, thank you. So you know, if you're looking, you can see I've been, you know, working out. You can see the testicles region. Azumi, why are you going to do that? Why are you going to embarrass me like that? But anyway, I hope that you enjoyed the social media countdown. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button and also to leave a comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. At 200,000 came in, and I'll know you know the excitement. 200,000 subscribers I have on YouTube now, but I'm not really start the celebrations yet. I'm going to kind of do that next week. Okay, people, and also if you want to reach out to me, email, book me. It is dottyberryshow@gmail.com. My social media, Dotty Berry Show, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all over. And by now, I hope that you checked out the Sister Peaches video with me and Rochelle. If you want to see it, you know, just right up here, so just click it, and I hope you enjoy it. Check out the DBS news and everything. Peace out until next time. I might be in studio or I might be in Paris, in Milan. I don't know. Peace out, man.
Yeah, bless man, big up. Yeah. Ready? All right, bless man, thanks. How are you?
Not bad.
All right, what you think about mackerel?
Mackerel, well, she can go on.
All right.
Boss. You can't talk. You can't talk more to interview.
Oh. The dirty are the berry, the juicy are the scoop. All right, I don't really remember their side words, honestly. What? The berry, the juicy, the scoop. All them gonna missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie say the countdown coming soon. All your grandma where you want, you can look in the news like, yo, hey,
My box fugger is coming like I'm singing like a singer. Pack cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. When happened in the week, yo, just tune in. Zine. That was not bad. That was, you know.
ALX will be disappointed.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tuning to the youth like.